Today I will be making a quick and easy spinach dish. Now, spinach is not a traditional Jamaican dish, but there are many reasons why you should be eating this nutrient-dense vegetable. Now, spinach is an excellent source of iron and is a great way to add protein, fiber, calcium, vitamins A and E, along with other nutrients to your diet. 1 cup of spinach contains 0.8 milligrams of iron and 30 milligrams of calcium. Some of the ingredients I'm using, like the garlic, scallion, and onion, add their own nutritional value to the dish. Garlic adds flavor to the dish and is a potent medicine as well. Wealth is not just finances, it is good health as well. Spinach is good for your heart and your bones, and it may even improve the health of your eyes. Your food should be your medicine, so it's best to eat fresh when possible. Now, if you find value in the video and you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You can also leave your comments. Spinach is one of the easiest ways to boost your health, and you can eat it raw or cooked. You can buy spinach at a reasonable price, or you can even grow your own. You can improve the flavor of any food by adding herbs and spices. Using quality ingredients can make the difference in the taste of your food. Chop in your fresh seasonings, make it easier to distribute the flavors. Spinach is a vegetable that shrinks a lot, so you will have to estimate the amount you need. Spinach is a great side dish. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.